Hey tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge machines push the limits of what's possible? Let's dive into the world of incredible machines operating at insane levels. First up, we've got the Sandvik TH665B autonomous haul truck. This beast can haul 65 tons of material in mining operations, completely unassisted. Imagine the precision and power needed to navigate treacherous terrain while carrying that much weight. It's like having a giant robot chauffeur. Next, check out the Fanuc M2000IA, the world's strongest industrial robot. With a payload capacity of 2.3 tons, this robot lifts, stacks, and maneuvers massive objects with pinpoint accuracy. It's like watching a mechanical ballet, but with heavy-duty metal and no tutus. And how about the Tesla Gigafactory's battery production line? These machines churn out battery cells non-stop, making it possible for Tesla to meet the ever-growing demand for electric vehicles. The precision and speed at which these machines work is mind-boggling. It's like having a pit crew on perpetual overdrive. Ever heard of the Bertha tunnel boring machine? Standing at an impressive 57 feet in diameter, this colossal machine can carve through the earth to create tunnels with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Watching Bertha in action is like seeing a metal titan munching through solid rock. Let's not forget the IBM Summit supercomputer. This machine is capable of performing 200 quadrillion calculations per second. That's 200,000 calculations. Just imagine the level of complexity and problem-solving power packed into this technological marvel. It's like having a brain on turbo mode. Have you seen the Airbus A350 assembly line? Using advanced robotics and automation, Airbus assembles these massive aircraft with incredible precision and speed. The synchronized dance of machines and humans results in one of the most efficient production lines in aerospace. It's like watching a futuristic factory out of a sci-fi movie. Finally, check out the ASML EUV lithography machines. These machines are crucial for producing the world's most advanced microchips. They use extreme ultraviolet light to etch tiny circuits onto silicon wafers, enabling the creation of faster, more powerful electronics. It's like the magic behind your smartphone's superpowers. So there you have it, some of the most incredible machines operating at insane levels. If you loved this peek into the future of technology, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech awesomeness.